If you're looking to be ultra comfy on a plane, on a train, in your car, you're absolutely going to love this thing. I'm going to walk you through everything. I've got on this. I'm super comfortable. I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up. So this is right over here. This is the AirSlyng, the Fly Cozy. I'm going to show you everything that comes with this and exactly how to get this thing set up. Absolutely love this thing. This is kind of like total immersion. So this is exactly how it comes right over here. This is like your pillow. This is going to be your sling right over here. And then you also have the eye mask right over here. This does come with instructions right over here. It's very easy to set up. I'm kind of going to walk you through it. I do it a little different than they kind of do it on here, but we're going to get to the same place, so you could do what you want. Really like this a lot. So this is going to be your carrying case right over here. So when you first get this, it's going to come exactly like this. It comes in a nice little box right over here. And then you can just put your stuff in here when you are done with it. And then you have a nice zippered pouch. To wash this, you're going to want to hand wash this. So just know that you want to hand wash it. Don't put it in the washer or whatever. So on the back right over here, we have 2 straps. This could be done in a plane, a train, a car, whatever. You want to make sure this side is out right over here. You do have a little carabiner here as well if you want to use that. And then literally wherever your thing is, you're just going to find it and clip this up to it. And then once you're clipped in, you can adjust this if you want to pull it tighter. Really easy to do. And then you just want to put this over like that. See, on this side right over here, we could just pull that tighter if we wanted to. Now, this is kind of our pillow setup right over here. Now, if you didn't want to use the mask or anything like that, you can connect this mask to this right over here so it pulls shut like that. Particularly, I don't like to do that. That's just not what I like. So I do the mask separately. So now this piece right over here, this is the sling. This is what we're gonna be putting our arms in. So this just goes simply right over the back, right over there. And then this is kind of the second piece of this. So then you're gonna sit down just like this. This is adjustable. You'll see right over here. You could put this down just like that. I usually just hook it just like this. And I'm just gonna wear it like that. So now with this sling right over here, you'll see it is right here. So we're just gonna grab this sling just like that, and we're just gonna pull it over. So now that it's over us, just like this, get comfortable. You could put the eye mask on if you want, but you wanna put that eye mask on because you're gonna get all snugly in here. So once you have that on, just like that, you could just put this, you just take this out just like this. I like the fact that this works this way because you don't need a blanket or anything like that. So you'll see it's pretty big in here. I'm 5'11". I was kind of like, I don't know if I'm gonna fit in here. But it's really nice. So then you just kind of get your whole body in here just like that. And now we're totally wrapped up. If you want to put that eye mask on, you could do that. And then you're totally comfortable like this. I really do like the fact that this is easy to travel with. This is actually super comfortable. I was very on the fence about this. I was like, I don't know, like it seems complicated. Do I really want all this? But this is everything in one. Like a lot of travel pillows and stuff like that, they do not come with blankets. They'll come with eye masks, maybe some earplugs, stuff like that. But this, you get like the full immersion experience. Like you can see from over here, it's just really, really nice. So if you're looking for a great way to be super cozy, travel in comfort, kind of have that eye mask on so no one can bother you and just kind of be wrapped up, definitely check this out. Love this a lot. It will make a huge difference in your traveling. If you found this helpful, give this a thumbs up, and I hope you find the perfect travel pillow companion for you.